If you have a melon at home, make this dessert served directly on the melon, and your guests will ask you for the recipe for this delicious dessert. For this recipe, we're going to need a melon, which I'm going to cut off at the bottom to hold it, and the top, to remove all the seed, just like I'm doing. Guys, this recipe with melon that we are making is very easy to make and is very delicious. I am sure everyone will like the result. So in this way we should have the melon. I will reserve it for later. In a bowl I will add half a green apple, cut into small pieces. I will also add about 10 or 15 grapes, cut in half. Half of a ripe mango, cut into squares, and mix a little until everything is very good. Friends, it is not necessary to use the fruits I have added. You can use the fruits of your preference, and as much as you want. In my case I only used apple, mango and grapes. Already well incorporated, I will fill the melon with these chopped fruits. At this moment I would like to know from which country or city you look at us, to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Juliet Selesnog from Philippines, also for June Matros from South Africa, and Vicky Montier from United States. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. And that's how it should be. In a measuring cup, we will prepare the liquid part. For this I will add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of coconut milk. This milk will give a delicious flavor to our fruit dessert with melon. I'm also going to add 80 milliliters of milk. And finally, 2 sachets of unflavored gelatin of 7 grams, prepared as indicated in the envelope. And I will mix very well, until the sugar is dissolved. Once the sugar is dissolved, let's add this mixture to the melon, as follows. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means that you are liking this recipe. So leave us here below the following message: I love the melon, to send you a very special greeting. Now I will take the stuffed melon to the freezer for 35 minutes, or until it hardens. Next, in a refractory, I will add the chopped fruits that have been left, and spread it throughout the refractory. Then I'm going to add the remaining liquid mixture to it. And I will move a little to spread the fruits very well. Now I will take it to the refrigerator for 30 minutes. And already our dessert with melon and fruits is ready. Look how incredible it has been. When I have a visit at home I do it and I only receive compliments. But I would like you to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 to know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Recipes Oni, and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes. A hug and see you in the next recipe.